Hello everyone! In today's lesson, we'll learn about personal pronouns, what they are, how we use them, and some examples to help you understand easily. Personal pronouns replace nouns in sentences. We use them to avoid repeating names again and again. Instead of repeating Emma, we say she. Emma is my friend. She is very kind. Now let's see all the personal pronouns together. We can divide them by person, first, second and third, by number, singular and plural, and also by gender, masculine, feminine or neutral. We also divide them by case, subject or object. The case shows the function of the pronoun in a sentence. When the pronoun does the action, it's in the subject case. When it receives the action, it's in the object case. Let's pronounce each one together. Subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. The subject pronouns are used as the subject of a sentence. For example, I like pizza. She works hard. They play football. I, she, and they are the subjects in these sentences. The object pronouns are used as the object of a sentence. Tom helped me. I saw her yesterday. We called them. Here, me, her, and them are the objects of the sentences. Here's a quick comparison. For example, we say, I love my dog loves me. They invited us. Notice how the form changes depending on where it is in the sentence. The pronoun it is used for animals, objects or things, not people. For example, it is raining. Where is my book? It is on the table. And you can be both singular and plural. It can mean one person or a group of people. For example, you are my best friend. You are all welcome to the party. Let's review. Personal pronouns replace nouns to make sentences shorter and clearer. We use subject pronouns for the doer of the action and the object pronouns for the receiver. Keep practicing and soon you'll use them naturally. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more English lessons.